I don't remember how many bottles or how many tubs I have finished. These are the two products. Whenever I apply, my husband is like, "What are you wearing?" Fortifying serum is a game changer. The fourth category is happy. Who doesn't like luxury? And if that luxury is full paisa vasool, so why not? Hi, welcome back to our channel. This is Koilway. There are things which gives me ultimate happiness. And one of those things is indulging into skincare and hair care. I love myself, and that is why I keep indulging into luxury. I am not an impulsive buyer. Before buying any product, I do my research. Possibly I will buy that product in the end of after 6 months or maybe after 7 months, but it has to be backed by science. It has to have very good ratings, and I'm not something who will be completely go with all the influencers gimmick and all that. So let's not waste any more time and let's get straight into the video where I'm going to talk about my top 5 picks which are high-end products, and I am been in love with those products. The first product in the category is this one, which is Clinique Moisturized Surge 100 Hours Auto Replenishing Hydrator. I don't know ये 100 hours काम करता है कि नहीं, but मेरे लिए it is more than enough. I don't remember how many bottles or how many tubs I have finished. This is one product which if everything is burnt off और मुझे बोला जाता है कि कोई एक प्रोडक्ट ही तुम ले जा सकती हो अपने साथ, I will take this. Like this is a product जो winter में भी, summer में भी, monsoon में भी, at any point of time you can use. I am not into makeup, and I love skincare, and this one product I use in the morning, in the night schedule, both time. So Clinique Moisturizing Surge is the best product ever. And I think you girls should definitely try, because instead of purchasing, those small, low budget products, जो जल्दी खत्म हो जाते हैं, you can invest in this one because ये बहुत दिन तक चलता है. A small pea-sized amount is enough for your skin, and your skin looks hydrating all day, all night. I just love this product, so it has to be my first recommendation. Going back to my second most favorite product, which is again in a higher end but not that expensive, is the body lotions. These are from the Bath and Body Works. This is You Are The One, and this one is Sweet Pea. Oh my god, I love to smell good all day. Okay, and these are the two products. Whenever I apply, my husband is like, "What are you wearing?" I mean, he goes nuts with the smell. This is just too good, guys. I mean, you should not think about anything else. And again, I'm telling you, these are expensive but these last longer. मैंने एक चीज़ नोटिस की है, जितने लो एंड प्रोडक्ट्स होते हैं ना, वो बहुत जल्दी फिनिश हो जाते हैं. मे बी उनका कंसिस्टेंसी बहुत लाइट होता है, बट द हाई एंड प्रोडक्ट्स, देयर कंसिस्टेंसी इज रियली थिक, एंड दैट्स वाई दे लास्ट यू वे लॉन्गर. सो ये मैंने, आई डोंट रिमेंबर मैंने ये कब खरीदा था, ये अभी भी चल रहा है, और ये दोनों मैं इसमें स्विच करती रहती हूँ. एंड द स्मेल इज़ लाइक टू गुड. लेट मी जस्ट try to describe you the smell for You Are The One. You Are The One ka smell is more like a flowery, fresh, peony rose smell. This is just mesmerizing. And I talk about Sweet Pea. Oh my god, this is again. So these are like, the smell is luxury. Oh god, only one word I can say, luxury. And they stay all day long. The smell जो है ना, वो throughout the day linger करता है. So I would recommend these two high-end body moisturizer that actually take care of your body and makes you smell amazing throughout the day. So my top highly recommended body moisturizer. Now let's talk about my third most recommended product. Has to be by Bath and Body Works. This is body mist, and I cannot say much about these products because they are known by, I think, most of you all. And they stay way longer, guys. Now, when I use it along with the body moisturizer, they actually stay for a longer period of time. The smell is long lasting. It will drive the audience around you and they will ask you what exactly you're wearing. And who does not like if somebody comes and tell you, "Oh my god, you smell really good." These are those products, guys. These are like, they don't, You don't have to spend a lot of bucks buying them. These are like under budget, but again, they are luxury smelling products. So definitely highly recommended fragrances from my side. The fourth category is Happy. Obviously, Happy should be the first category because it's my most expensive investment. But talking about the product is, oh my god, MAC Cosmetics. I love MAC. Okay, so whether they're lipstick, lip liner, or their blush, but if I have to choose one product in MAC that actually serves all the purpose in terms of makeup, is this. I mean, this is just too good, guys. I mean, MAC Studio Fix Foundation Powder. Okay. I'm so sorry. Okay. So this product, I am in the range NC30. Okay. And it is, again, it cost around 3,200. But it lasts long. So one thing with luxury products, that they last for a longer period of time compared to the products which are low end. But that is not I'm not recommending you to not buy the low end product and buy luxury. But this is my observation, and that is why I'm sharing it with you. And this does not, it gives a full foundation, like a full foundation kind of face cover, full coverage. And this also comes with a small sponge. I have seen a lot of high-end luxury, face compact. They don't provide sponge, but it does provide. And this actually, it's a very, it's sweat-proof. Does not comes like flaky on my skin, and I look really fresh when I use it. So this is like the best makeup foundation and the only makeup I do. So definitely a highly recommended product. Last and not the least, since this is only fixed to top 5, I have to talk about this. I have talked about this so many times. I have shared it with so many of my friends. So this Kérastase Genesis Anti-Shoot Fortifying Serum is a game changer. When I say game changer in terms of hair fall, okay, so just giving you a little background, my father was in railways and he used to get transferred in every 2 to 3 years. So in every place, I used to have different water, different humid condition, different climate and pollution, because of which I was facing severe hair fall. And I went to so many dermatologists, and you know what? किसी भी dermatologist ने कोई perfect solution नहीं दिया, बल्कि it was all my waste of money. This came in the year 2024, I mean this year, and I bought it completely on my own risk because I love to do my own research, and I did research without, like I said, I'm not an impulsive buyer. मैंने proper research किया, not from influencers point of view, but from the science point of view. But this says that it has some ingredients which actually works. So सबसे important जो ingredient है इसका, that is your ginger root extract. Ginger is really good for your hair. So if you want your hair to stay, not to fall off, use this product. Again, I'm saying this is for hair fall, not for hair growth. And this works wonder. From day 0, I started feeling the benefit out of it, and this is just too good. And this costed me around 5,000, but it worth every penny. So these are my top 5 recommendation for now. I have many recommendation to share with you guys, and I hope you can get some benefit out of this video, and maybe you can buy them, because these are all completely non-sponsored and 100% honest review from my point of view. So I hope you like this video, and definitely do like, share and subscribe. Hope this video was useful enough. Thank you for now.